some places, this stuff goes over the edge of little lip. This one is one right there, but it's rusted. So get it cleaned up, and then like when you put it back, nothing's in the way. It's clean. Like example right here. So you put the top on, then that's right there, and you take this thing with the clip on it, put it on like that, and it'll cut through right there and hold the top between here and there, and then the rest of it's glued, because it's one here and one there. See, when it's like that, sit up under there. So this was probably the right thing to do, to take the window out.